I turned round, he grabbed me by the shoulders and he started shaking me. He had his hand on my neck at one point and he was shaking so hard that I lost my footing. So he was shaking, and as I lost my footing, my ankle snapped on one side. As I screamed, he just continued to carry on shaking me. So my daughter, who was 7 then, jumped on his back. He flung her off his back, and he shook me again, and he snapped my ankle the other side. So I had both sides of the ankle snapped, and he pushed me onto the floor, and he went back into the bedroom. Well, obviously the pain was extreme. I had a bit of a sense of confusion because I didn't know what was going on. I felt distraught, scared, because I thought didn't know if it was going to get worse or anything else was going to happen.